Yo, what's up, guys and gals? Welcome to my channel. My name is George. Some people also know me as Jorge, so it don't really matter. Just wanted to do this quick video on, a quick review on my bike, 2018 Karate Monkey, made by Surly. I've had this bike for about a year, and I've gotten really comfortable with it. So just want to let you guys know how it rides. I use this bike for, it's an all-around bike, and that's why I bought this bike, because I wanted something that you could, ride trails, bike parks, uh, commute, bike packing, and so far it's been great. Sorry about that. So far it's been really good. I've gone on many rides. I've ridden a lot of trails in Colorado, and now here in Bend, Oregon. That's where I currently live. And I wanted to tell you guys, I'm going to be putting up my website pretty soon, and I'm going to be leading rides from my house or here in Bend. I'm going to have a place, and I'm going to lead some tours. Some days it'll be just day trips, some overnighters. So if you want to schedule an appointment, if you want to come and join me, I'll put my link down below in my email, or you can email me at cosmicrider33@gmail.com. That's cosmicrider33@gmail.com. I go on routes that are anywhere from 8 to 65 miles. So anywhere from I'll take beginners to intermediate to advanced, and I know a lot of great routes around here. A lot of the Cascade trails, a lot of the Phil's trails, many trails that I've been exploring. So yeah, this bike is dope. I'll probably be getting another bike pretty soon, more of a trail bike, full suspension. But right now this bike is just set up for, I want to have it strictly set up for bike packing. There's my girlfriend's bikes. She's got the same 2018 Karate Monkey. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So get at me. I'll make another video soon. If you got any questions, let me know.